We love Hakka to enrich your Taiwan experience. Learn about Hakka language and culture.
每天收听客家风情，学习另一种不同文化，让你生活更有趣。
Hey folks, it's time for our Hakka lesson of the day.
Hello, 你好，大家好，我係 Alice Pong。
大家好，你好，我係 Joseph Lin. And today I want to talk about this Hakka event that happens on an annual basis. And I guess the Hakka love to play sports. They're very healthy and they're very athletic as well. And there's something called the 六堆 sports competition.
有啊，南部嘅。
南部嘅是什么？
它是南部的。六堆。
六堆 that means six different groups. Okay, and I understand there are 6 different townships in southern Taiwan that are of the Hakka origin, and they get together again on a yearly basis to do some sports competition. 所以我们今天讲一些运动有关的东西好了。
运通飞。
运通费，你要说我什么费？
运动会。
哦，我以为运通费嘞。运通 fee, it sounds like delivery fee, but it actually means a sports competition or a sports gathering. Okay, 运动会。听说这个六队运动会里面呢，有这个所谓的田径赛啦，还有一些球类的比赛，比如说有赛跑。
照相局。
照相局听起来像什么呢？照相馆、照相局啊，照相局。
照相局就是跑的啊，大家在跑的，追来追去，不是照相局。我们如果客家话走是行。
哦，是吗 ？OK， 所以照哦，被照啊，被照啊，要回到台语才照相局。Okay, that's a 赛跑, all right? Some of the traditional events in this competition includes tennis, 网球。
命球。
命球 OK 有一个网字嘛哈命球 that's tennis and also table tennis or otherwise known as 乒乓球
大乒乓
那要够追啦大乒乓啊打乒乓就对了
打乒乓球
Actually, you know, that's a universal language, you know, 乒乓 or table tennis and in Chinese is 乒乓 and in Hakka is 大乒乓
或是高乒乓球
高乒乓球玩乒乓球
对
是不是Okay, so let's go ahead and review some of those terms. A sports competition 运动会
运通飞
运通飞 that's a sports competition. All right, you also have racing or running 赛跑
照相局
照相局 Okay, you also have tennis 网球
命球
and finally 乒乓 which I know 乒乓All right, that does it for our Hakka lesson of the day.
什么太嘎？
俺只say 张来了。
客家风情由行政院客家委员会监制，邀您一起体验另一种不同的客家文化之美。
We love Hakka has been brought to you by the Council for Hakka Affairs of the Executive Yuan to enrich your Taiwan experience.